Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samila Khan 92. Today my video is about the Haam refrigerator. How to set the temperature of Haam refrigerator. How we control our refrigerator temperature for our food inside. So let's see how we can control this temperature from the thermostat. So here is the thermostat given in our Haam refrigerator. This is the thermostat temp zone given. Keep in mind this is our thermostat, and one another thing is given, this in active C fresh. This is for the freshness of our fruit, and this is the duct inside the refrigerator from the top of the from the freezer coming air from the freezer with the fan. This is the duct, the air coming out from these vents, this one and that one, and it will give us cooling here. And from where we can control this temperature from this one. This is our thermostat. This is the temp zone, temperature zone. Okay, so how we can control this? This is on the cold now because we are in the cold season now, so I put this on cold, and this is for a little more colder than that, and this coldest, and this is the super cool. Super cool is used if you bring more grocery one time, then you put this on super cool. If you bring just grocery and your refrigerator is full of grocery, fruits, vegetables, then you use this for some time, but not for all the time. If you use it for all the time, it will freeze everything. So let's start our video how to set these temperatures for cold season, for summer season. Keep in mind one thing: for cold season you can use this cold only, and for a bit hot season, in the middle after when the cold season is going, then you can use this temperature, this point, okay, after the cold. And if when in the mid of summer, at the peak of hot season, summer season, you can use the coldest. It's better option. Okay, if you use coldest in the winter season, it will freeze your everything, so it's not good for you. We have freezer for that, so we need normal temperature in our downside door. Okay, in the refrigerator we can say upside is freezer and downside is refrigerator. So let's start our video. Let's come to the point. This, see here written here, 3 seconds unlock. Okay, press this for 3 seconds, then it will be unlocked, it will blink then. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 8 9 10 I think. Okay, this blink, after blinking, this go to there, then press again. See, oh, it's not coming. Wait, again press, blinking now. Okay, this, see, now changing. Press one time, change cold, super cold, cold, another one. You can press it like this. How much I want cold, so I leave it on cold, so it will automatically set. Then this is set now on cold, so after some time it will automatically set. If I leave it here, it will be go to the another one. Let's see again, try once more. I will show you another one how to set, and press again. I want this temperature. Okay, I leave this, it will not go up again, it will be automatically set here. So after some time, after 5 to 10 seconds, it will be automatically set, no need to press anything. We can see now. Again check, see this blinking now. I want cold here, but I want cold here, so I will press it again. I want to take it to the cold. Okay, blink. So that's it, my temperature is set on cold because it's a cold season. We are in January, so I will keep it on cold season. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.